Today, I'll show you how to duplicate a flow in Klaviyo. Whether you're looking to replicate a successful automation sequence or simply streamline your workflow, duplicating flows is a handy feature that can save you time and effort. Let's dive right in and explore the steps involved in this process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Flows tab. This can be found in the left-hand navigation sidebar of your Klaviyo dashboard. Clicking on the Flows tab will open up your directory view, which is essentially a list of all the automation sequences you have created so far. It's a neat and organized way to see everything at a glance. Once you're in the directory view, the next step is to find the specific flow you want to duplicate. You can either browse through the list manually or use the search bar if you have a specific name in mind. The search bar is a great tool, especially if you have numerous flows, as it quickly narrows down your options to just what you're looking for. After you've located the flow you wish to duplicate, take a look at the far right-hand side of that flows row. You'll notice several options available there. What you're looking for is the Edit button, but instead of clicking directly on it, you'll want to focus on the small drop-down arrow right next to it. This arrow is key to revealing more action parameters associated with the flow. Go ahead and click on that drop-down arrow. Doing so will present you with a list of additional options. From this drop-down menu, you need to select the clone option. This action will effectively create a duplicate of your chosen flow, allowing you to retain the original while having a new version to modify or test as needed. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily duplicate any flow in Klaviyo. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're working on a complex marketing strategy and want to test variations without starting from scratch. A few additional tips to keep in mind: make sure you rename your cloned flow to avoid any confusion down the line. Also, take a moment to review any settings or conditions that may need adjusting in your duplicated flow to align with your current objectives. Duplicating flows in Klaviyo is not just about convenience. It can also be an effective way to experiment with different strategies, compare results, and ultimately enhance your marketing campaigns. By using this feature, you're not just saving time, but also gaining the flexibility to innovate and improve your customer engagement efforts. I hope you found this guide helpful. With these steps, you can efficiently duplicate flows in Klaviyo and continue optimizing your email marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.